how to add the write a prompt on your story Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then as you see in my Instagram, it's open and you go like you want to add a new story. Then you will choose a picture. For example, I will choose this picture. Then I will just click and go up, like swipe up. Then I will go to this, add yours, and click. And then I will click, for example, your draw, click done, and then that's it guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.